This video is dedicated to you. Yes, I mean to all of you who commented on the video that I did last year and sharing your experience about the Telegram login issues. Well, I've read every single comment on that video and I'm here to reply to all comments that are relevant to that video. Now let's clear the air and I'll make sure that I answer all the questions and also help you never to lose your Telegram account again. Let's dive into it. Someone is talking about losing their phone. Losing a phone in this era is risky, and actually you may have to pay a price of you losing a phone, most especially if you only have one account. Now here's the thing, you've lost your phone, you've lost your SIM card, you want your account back. That's an indicator that the account is not yours. So the advice I have to give you is that you need to replace your SIM card and try logging in via SMS. And if God helps you and you receive the SMS, please make sure that you change logging in from your phone to maybe using methods like email or something like that, because next time if you lose your phone, if you lose your SIM card, the email may help you out because the verification code will be sent via email instead of the SMS. And secondly, you may fail to get your account back, and the only solution for that is you need to contact Telegram support. I've placed a link in the description of this video. You write in your number and explaining briefly what happened. Then Telegram will either give you access to your account or they may advise you to do something better than that. The reason why I'm talking about you not getting your account back is Telegram recognizes that you have an account running. Your phone was stolen, so they'll be sending the login code to your previous Telegram account. They'll be like assuming that your account is working, it's in existence. Yeah, so that's what you have to do. And if it fails, please let me know in the comments. Salim is saying, please help my Telegram auto log out many times. One of the things that I think causes that is the device that you're using. Yeah, some devices may auto log you out in your Telegram. Can you imagine? Or check if someone else is using your Telegram account, and if so, you just have to change your password, or you have to log out all the devices and re-log in with only your device and the devices that you have control over. That may solve your problem. But thank you so much. Let's head over to the next question. Charles is saying two-step verification for new users. Yes, if you're a new user, you just have to go to your settings, privacy, and two-step verification. Then you enable two-step verification. Check out my previous videos that I did. Probably I'll link them in the description. Yeah, they can turn on the two-step verification, but they have to first log in. Maybe that's what you were asking. You first log in, then you turn on the two-step verification. And actually, I've linked the videos in the description. Hope I answered your question. Let's go to the next one. Device asking, lost my SIM card and now I can't log in because of the code. What can I do? Well, Diva, the first thing here that is more priority is replacing your SIM card. Just go to your network provider and replace your SIM card. If it fails, then you can comment. I'll help you out in the process. So after replacing your SIM card, then try logging in again. When it fails, try to comment. I'll surely respond to your comment and help you out. And this comment is saying that the issues in this video didn't work for them. Well, I packaged so many videos about the same issue, and actually I added in some more extras. I think those other videos can also help you out. Try checking them out. I'll link these videos in the description. But I'm so sorry that what you got in this video didn't work for you. You're saying that never logged in elsewhere, but the code says send to another device. Well, I'm so sorry about this. One of the things that I'll advise you to do is try to uninstall and reinstall the app. But again, wait before you log in again. This helps the servers to clear up because you already had login sessions previously. So if you give it some time and now you log in again, I think it would work for you. So Kingdom Lifestyle is saying, how can I get a 2FA code? I don't want to lose my contacts and chats on Telegram. Well, it's unfortunate that Telegram can't allow you to log in if you don't have the 2FA. All you have to do is to use the recovery email in case you have the recovery email. Otherwise, you'll not be able to log in if you don't have the 2FA. Salama is saying, you're the best bro. Oh, Salama, thank you so much. Comments like this keep the channel going. Thumbs up. Yeah. Then this comment is saying, I lost my phone. Try to log in into my new phone, but the Telegram is not sending me OTP. So if you're experiencing this problem, Telegram is considering that your other device is still active. So what Telegram does whenever you log in, Telegram sends the code to your old device. Now that's a challenge. And actually this, let me make this general. If you are facing such problem, or you're not facing the problem currently, and you already have a Telegram account running, what I would advise you is to create a Telegram account on some other devices. In case you lose a device, you already have backup where you will receive the code from. So what I would advise you people is to try logging into 2-3 devices. In case you lose the two, you will be able to get the code from the other, or otherwise you'll have to wait for 2 years. I'm kidding. But anyway, Telegram has that it deletes all the inactive accounts after 2 years. So you just have to be patient. It deletes all the accounts, then you use the number, or you contact Telegram support. They may help you out. Or we have talked of the 2-step verification, but I doubt if you have that, because that's one of the things that will prove to Telegram that you're the owner of the account, to avoid privacy issues and all that. But anyway, this message goes to Telegram. People are so much complaining about the security systems that you put in place, because many people lose their phones, people lose their SIM cards, but again Telegram makes it hard for them to log back to their account. This is maybe in the future they'll work on it, but Telegram itself has the reason why it complicates these processes, maybe because of the previous issues that maybe it had with the users, and now they were like, okay, let's make it hard for these people to log in, so we'll limit the frauds and all that. Okay, yeah. But basically, basing on this comment, what I'll have to say is don't give up, just keep logging in. Give it time. You've tried to log in today, give it like 2 days. I know you wanna use your account, yes, I know that, but please give it some time so that the servers will not detect anything contradicting. Otherwise, you'll start getting these messages of too many attempts error. I did a video about that also. If actually you're facing something similar to that, then that video will save you out. But the reason why I'm sticking to this comment is most people think that Telegram operates like the other social media accounts like WhatsApp, email. Those ones are lenient, but Telegram is strict in its privacy and security. Please, if it fails, try to contact the Telegram support. Thank you so much for commenting, but keep on commenting so we get the feedback. If it worked for you, please comment and be like, you know what, it worked for me. You're the best, bro. Thank you so much, Salama. Such comments encourage me and keep the channel going. At least I know that we have solved some problem. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. So this comment is saying, change the Google Play account and reinstall. Well, basing on this comment, this issue helps to solve app bugs. Yeah, it helps solve app bugs, but it doesn't solve the login issues. You never know, it may help some people out there. But anyways, thank you so much for your comment. Yeah, it may help someone out there in this similar problem, because we'll not be here and say that this is the only method that can help, you know. So maybe if they use that method, maybe it would solve the issue. Now, preferred vibration is saying, in simple terms, that Telegram only sends SMS to new accounts. You're absolutely right. Telegram prioritizes new accounts. That means that Telegram will send SMS to new accounts. But if you already have active login sessions in different devices, Telegram will send the code to those devices. So if you want to get the login via SMS, the only thing that you have to do is to log out all the other sessions. That's how Telegram will send you an SMS. So this is Tendai. I don't know if I pronounced properly the name, but it's saying, I never used Telegram before. I don't have another device, but there is no verification code. Tendai, try to check if you've inserted properly your number plus the country code, and try logging in. If it fails, try contacting Telegram support. Try your location. Try researching about your location. Is Telegram restricted? What is the relationship with Telegram and your country? Are there some limitations? If not, you need to research about your network provider. Are they in good terms with getting these codes? Some network providers happen to whitelist these codes and they don't treat you. They just whitelist them. So try searching about that. If it doesn't work, please comment. I'll be there to help you out. So someone is saying there is no two-step verification on iPhone. Clickbait. Oh, okay. Actually, let me respond to that. Two-step verification is available on all platforms, including iPhones, Android, and some other platforms. I'm quite sure that there is two-step verification. So to access the two-step verification, you need to go to the privacy and security two-step verification. Brandy is saying can't enter phone number. Well, Brandy, make sure that you're using the correct format. I mean the country code, the phone number. Money in the Air commented that it worked. Thank you a million. Well, I'm so glad that these steps helped you out. Rafiot is this comment is saying I can't get the code. Well, if you're not getting the code in this case, try to check your network, try to switch OK networks, and try using Wi-Fi instead. If you're using cellular data, try to switch to Wi-Fi and see the difference. Will you still get the code? If you don't get the code, please comment. I'll be there to help you out. Tina says, logged out, in simple terms, logged out all devices but can't get SMS. Well, this is a complicated challenge. You logged out all the devices. I think you need to get your phone number. You need to have your phone number and turn on all the notifications and enable all permissions of your SMS app so you'll be able to get the incoming messages. Well, in this case, the other thing that I can talk about is Telegram still thinks that you're still logged in. So for you, after logging out, you just have to be patient. Then you try again some other time to log in. Since Telegram maybe will take time to clear its servers, but try to be patient. That's what I can say, if that's what you meant. But if you meant that you don't have the SIM card, you logged out all the devices, then the only thing that you have to do is to get the SIM card. If it fails, try contacting the Telegram support. Link is in the description below. So Alex is saying, how do I receive a Telegram SMS code while the Telegram app keeps sending it to another device? I have no access to my other device and I don't know what to do to let Telegram send SMS code to me to log in. Okay, I think this is similar to what we have talked about previously. We have talked about we having access to our devices. So I think we've talked about this issue. Number one thing, if you have a recovery email, use that. Then the other thing is you always need to have those devices you control. But in your case, you don't have those devices. The only solution that I see is contacting Telegram support. Then the other solution is to force Telegram to send an SMS. Sometimes it can send it, by the way. I've tried it and it has done it for me. You, at the first attempt, you didn't get the code. It was sent to your device that you don't control, but you have your phone number. What you have to do then, you have to wait like for 2 minutes and relog in again and choose didn't get the code. Then it may, quote me well, it may give you the option of SMS. And if it sends the SMS, I think it would send the SMS to your number. Make sure that the number is in the phone, but just know how Telegram works. That's the key thing. Telegram prioritizes logged in devices mostly. It doesn't prioritize so much SMS, since that is so much reserved for the new users. Okay, so you just have to be patient and wait. To some people it works, but to some people it doesn't work. Then this comment is saying, how can you go into the settings if you don't have an account yet? Yeah, well, you're right. That one I was meaning to the people that already have the accounts but don't have to like face the similar issues. I'm so sorry if I didn't address it in the video, but that's what I was meaning to the people that already have the accounts. They may have been watching so that they don't fall into the same problems. That's why I addressed it that way. Yeah, hope it makes sense. But you're absolutely right. If you're not yet logged in, you can access the settings. Yeah, that's basic knowledge. Yeah. And this one is saying, you're the best bro. I've watched about 10 different videos on this issue, but only your video was the only video that was able to provide a solution. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I don't know how to pronounce names, but thank you so much for watching my videos, and I am so happy that these solutions worked for you, and Thank you so much. That's the only thing that I would say. Thank you so much. I see your comment, not solved. Sometimes one video may not be enough for you. Try watching my other videos that I did addressing the same issue. You may get the solution out of all those videos. So check it out and please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Well, Sonia, I'm so sorry that you're still facing the same issue, but the only solution that I'll give to you is watching all the videos that I did about that. And people like Sonia and so many others, please make sure that you watch all the other videos. You may get the answers from the particular videos that you're gonna watch. If I didn't mention your comment directly, I still saw it and I appreciate you. These are the best things that you need to work on so that you can get your Telegram account back or the login code or SMS code. Number 1. Enable two-step verification with email. Then don't rely only on one device. Number 3. Keep your SIM active. Number 4. Always have a backup plan. With the above methods, you will never complain about the Telegram login issue, or you will never face it in the future to come. And yeah, that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.